Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a quick video on how to add a watermark onto a shotcut. It could be a watermark, it could be any picture you want at all. But before we get straight into that, I just would like you to subscribe below and like the video, because it helps with YouTube's algorithm, so I appreciate that if you would please. Thank you. Now moving on, first things first, what you have to do is, where you've got here where you can see my mouse there, go to the left, right click, open another video track. Now what you do now is, once you've got that in, to actually add your watermark, go to open other. I'm going to go to my thumbnails, what I've got saved myself, but just say this boxing glove could be my watermark, because that watermark can be your logo, it could be anything, but I'm just going to use this. Right, that comes up now, and filters used for anything, whether it's like making things smaller, change colour, you name it, adding text. So I'm going to click on filters, the plus sign, go down to size, position and rotate. As soon as we press that, we're going to be able to then have the option to lower it. So what I'm going to do now is lower it, say in the one corner. Now bring this down, like the black part, the rest of the screen, don't click onto the picture itself, just bring that now down into the timeline, and you'll see when it's in the timeline, hold on, let's just make it bigger so you can see what we're actually doing there. Now as soon as you click on the timeline, bam, there it is. So then you can move it round to exactly anywhere, change the size. I'll leave it there. Then you've got your options here, you can actually rotate it. So just say if it was an arrow, you wanted to, like, you're making a thumbnail or the video and you want to put ouch or whatever, and just imagine that boxing glove is an arrow. So you know, and then you can put it, there's all other things here you can mess about with, and it's quite easy to work, it's very basic. But now if you want that logo to stay for the whole of your video, then all you have to do is put it at the beginning, and then just do that until you get to the end of your video. Then as you can see, it's come back on the screen, because here, now wherever I go on the video, it's there. And basically that is it. And then if you wanted to add another one, just do it again, add audio track, sorry add video track, I added an audio though. Add video track, see, you can add it again. I can now have an arrow pointing down to where, or number one, whatever. But that's it in a nutshell. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like and subscribe. You take care, and I'll catch you on the rebound. Bye.